चौथा कलमा तौहीद। तौहीद मानी अकेला। ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह वहदहू ला शरीक लहू लहुल मुल्कु व लहुल हम्दु युह्यी व युमीतु وهو حي لا يموت أبدا ذو الجلال والإكرام بيده الخير وهو على كل شيء قدير.
Fourth kalma tawheed, unity. There is none worthy of worship except Allah. He is only one. There is no partners for him. For him is the kingdom, and for him is the praise. He gives life and causes death, and he is alive. He will not die, never ever. He is possessor of majesty and reverence. In his hand is the goodness, and he is on everything powerful.